Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Elite Motorhomes, the place where machines are not just reviewed but transformed into cinematic experiences, where every vehicle becomes a story, a journey, and a living world on wheels. And today we are unveiling something that doesn't just redefine motorhomes but completely breaks the boundary between industrial survival and luxury living. Introducing the 2026 to 2027 Caterpillar Apex Overland 6x6, a name that doesn't just sound powerful but feels like an absolute truth the moment it enters your field of vision, because this is not a machine built for the casual traveler or the paved convenience of society, but for the desolate, the unreachable, and the extreme territories of the planet where nature demands respect and only the most resilient engineering survives. As the camera slowly fades in from black to a sweeping aerial shot of a jagged, sun-scorched canyon floor where dust devils dance across red rock and the air ripples with heat, the Apex Overland stands motionless like a metallic titan, its matte graphite finish absorbing the light and its massive 6x6 configuration planted into the broken earth like iron claws, giving it an unmatched stance of stability that suggests it doesn't just drive over the terrain, it owns it, reflecting an exterior design that speaks a language of quiet luxury, meeting industrial discipline, where the front fascia carries a bold, deeply structured honeycomb grille with the iconic Caterpillar identity, while the armored bumper below integrates a heavy-duty industrial winch system that tells you immediately this vehicle is prepared for recovery in worlds where getting stuck is a challenge to be overcome. As the engine comes to life with a deep, subterranean rumble that vibrates through the desert floor, the Apex Overland begins to move with calculated confidence, its 6 enormous all-terrain tires rotating with massive torque to ensure that traction is a mathematical certainty regardless of how unstable the surface becomes, and as it glides across the rocky plateau. The advanced heavy-duty suspension system works in the shadows, absorbing every impact and transforming a violent landscape into a smooth, cinematic glide, almost as if the vehicle is floating above the chaos rather than fighting it, advancing through narrow natural corridors and dense snow-covered forests where the triple-axle drive system constantly adjusts torque distribution in real time to maintain a consistent momentum as if it were born for this exact environment. The lighting system enhances the entire experience as twilight falls, with powerful LED arrays cutting through forest mist and dust like twin suns, illuminating the path ahead while creating a dramatic visual where the shadows retreat before its glow, representing human design standing face-to-face with untamed geography and refusing to blink as it pushes into mountainous terrain where the air grows thin and the paths become steeper and more dangerous, with one side lined by solid granite cliffs and the other dropping into dark valleys hidden under layers of fog, yet the Apex Overland continues its ascent without hesitation, climbing icy slopes with precision and maintaining structural integrity even under the extreme stress of the world's most treacherous mountain passes, proving that the synergy between mechanical power and digital intelligence is the new frontier of exploration. Transitioning from the raw power of the exterior into the interior, the entire tone shifts dramatically to controlled elegance, because stepping inside feels like entering a separate reality where the chaos of the outside world is replaced by warmth, calm, and intelligent design, featuring a luxury sleeping area surrounded by soft ambient lighting and premium insulated materials that turn the harshest environments into a distant background, while the kitchen and bathroom reveal themselves as compact yet highly functional units, seamlessly integrated into the walls with sleek cabinetry and stone-tiled surfaces that feel solid and dependable even while traversing violent terrain, proving that luxury and durability can coexist without compromise. This kitchen is a marvel of industrial minimalism, housing a professional induction stove, a built-in oven, and a refrigeration system designed for long-term off-grid expeditions, ensuring that daily living remains uninterrupted regardless of external conditions, while the bathroom stands as a perfect example of adaptive luxury with a stone-tiled rain shower and modern fixtures reinforced to withstand the vibrations of the trail, featuring waterproof surfaces that create an environment of high-end indulgence in the middle of a wasteland. Even the smallest details reflect thoughtful engineering, where safety elements such as a medical kit and fire suppression systems are placed strategically within easy reach, alongside secondary survival monitors that track external oxygen levels, radiation, and seismic activity, reinforcing the idea that this vehicle is designed not just for comfort but for real-world survival in the most remote and hazardous locations on the map. As we move toward the cockpit, the Apex Overland reveals its final identity as a place where control meets experience, with a premium leather seat providing long-distance comfort behind a mechanical steering wheel that feels heavy and dependable, while a dashboard that combines analog precision and modern digital displays presents essential telemetry behind a wide, reinforced windshield that turns the outside world into a constantly changing cinematic canvas. A central navigation system integrates seamlessly into the layout, offering guidance across unknown terrains using satellite mapping and terrain analysis sensors, while climate controls, traction modes, and vehicle settings are placed logically within reach, allowing quick adjustments without distraction as the journey reaches its final moment and the camera pulls back to reveal the vehicle standing alone on a vast, untouched horizon as a small but defiant light in the darkness, proving that human ingenuity can indeed thrive in total isolation. But the journey doesn't stop at the horizon. The Apex Overland is equipped with a self-sustaining energy grid, utilizing high-efficiency solar arrays and a backup hydrogen fuel cell system that ensures the lights never dim and the atmosphere remains perfectly tempered even when the mercury drops to sub-zero levels or soars in the midday desert heat, acting as a beacon of civilization in a world that has forgotten it. As the mist begins to surround the vehicle, the headlights cut through low clouds, creating a cinematic moment where engineering meets raw nature, where human design stands face to face with untamed geography, and then the environment shifts again, transitioning from frozen mountains into wet terrain where melting snow creates muddy paths and flowing streams, and here the Apex Overland proves its versatility, moving through water, mud, and unstable ground without losing composure. Its elevated ground clearance preventing any obstruction while its sealed body protects internal systems from external elements, until finally, the scene transforms into a completely different world, a vast open landscape where snow disappears entirely and is replaced by rocky plains and eventually desert-like terrain, where heat replaces cold and dust replaces ice. Yet the Apex Overland remains unchanged in identity, adapting without compromise, continuing forward like a moving fortress. Designed to survive any climate, any condition, and any challenge thrown at it, a testament to the fact that we are no longer limited by the earth we walk upon. Every rivet, every sensor, and every luxury finish within this machine has been curated to provide a seamless bridge between the primitive and the futuristic, ensuring that while you may be thousands of miles from the nearest city, you are never more than a few steps away from total relaxation and safety. If you experienced this cinematic masterpiece with us today and feel the call of the wild in your veins, then make sure you subscribe to Elite Motorhomes for more immersive explorations of machines that conquer the impossible and redefine the very nature of travel, because here we don't just show vehicles, we bring them to life with the intensity and respect they deserve. So don't forget to like, share, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a journey into the future of Overland exploration, and we'll see you in the next one with another extraordinary machine built to redefine the boundaries of our world and lead the way into the great unknown.